Okay, tip off na tayo. Tip off between Sir Palambeco and Sir Tumanyog. First ball na punta sa Team Pink. Out of bounds, same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Sir air ball. Rebound by Sir Harris. Turnover. Steal. Sir Aresta. Sir Palambergo, gandang pasa. Wala. Rebound para kay Sir Palambergo. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin kay Sir Palambergo. And there's a foul. Sir, tambakan na score. All zero. Wala pa rin ang dalawang tira. Persian shoot pala. Sir Tumanyog sa ilalim. 2 points by Sir Tumanyog. Sir Abenyo, atake, binigay kay Sir Despiliore, 2 points. Rebound by Sir Pamisan. Sir Carpio on the move. Basket para kay Sir Carpio. Umaalango ng Pink Panthers. 6-1 ang ating official score. Sir Palambero, 2. Foul from the back. Foul jersey number 8, Sir William Moore. And at his first personal foul, first team foul as a red light. First shot is no good. Second one is good. 7-3. Out of bounds. Rebound Sir Tumanyog, basket. 9-3, 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Sir Rossi, 3. Seconds to shoot. Air ball. 3-1 situation. Sir William Moore. Wala. Sir Palambergo para sa rebound. Good catch by Sir Rossi. Isa na lang ang alamangan. 6 minutes.
Bilis lang.
Sir Carpio. Gandang ulap, sablay nga lang. Good catch, Sir Estalione to Sir Cabigyon. Out of bounds.
Last shot, last shot, last shot. Last shot, last shot, last shot.
Sir Ares sa ilalim, binigay niya Sir Palambergo, wala pa rin. Sir Carpio, ayan na, walang kulay. Ula doon, 2 points by Sir Estalione. And 5 minutes substitution. Sir Fernand.
Yan, patayin mo yan, patayin mo yan.
Still by Sir Fernando. Counter still by Sir Carpio. Ayan na, Sir Felipe. Papainit pa. Still by Sir Harris. Two points by Sir Harris. 4 minutes. Sir Felipe. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Sir Fernand, Sir Villamor, good fake. Top shot. Sir Fernand, 2 points. Lamang ng Red Lions. Sir Felipe on the move. Out of bounds. Save po tayo. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds to shoot. Sir Carpio. 15 seconds to shoot. In and out. On the move. Lays it up. No goal. Iwan ng Sir Fernand, nakuha ako ni Sir Villamor. On the move, easy basket. At lumang kalamangan. Sir Carpio on the move. Papasabit. Ang gandang masabit doon, kaso may foul. Foul, Sir Fernand, jersey number 12. Sir Amabilis, sorry, Sir Amabilis. Sir Amabilis, first personal foul, second team foul. First one is good. Second one is good. Sa nakakalamangan, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Sir Harris, pull up. Rebound sa Labenyo. 2 minutes.
Ay, sorry yan, may tres yan, may tres yan, may tres. May tres yan.
Rebound sa Labenyo. Kakakuha ni Sir Harris. Sir Villamor, two-one situation. Good fake, wala. Sir Fernand para sa rebound. Babangga. Sir Amabilis na peke. Babangga. Wala pa rin. Sir Carpio, good defense. Sir Felipe on the move. To Sir Elias. Wala pa rin talaga. Sir Dumanyog, wala pa rin. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Imbes na first quarter. Sir Williamon. Okay, illegal pick by Sir Amabilis. Second personal foul, Sir Amabilis. Sir Capio. Sir Capio on the move. Galing magpasabi. Another foul coming from Sir Harris. Jersey number 73. Two shot para Sir Capio.
Parang kinakalso niya.
First one is no good. Second attempt is good. All 16. Sir Fernando, sunod na sir. Kita, 1 minute. Nakakatapak sa linya ng kuryente. Walang foul na naman sa Amabilis.
Anong foul niya? Dalawa.
Third personal foul, third team foul.
Aray ko, madradi na ka.
Third team foul.
Mababalik na.
Push shot tayo para Sir Felipe. First one is good. Rebound by Sir Fernando, 53 seconds. Sir Carpio para sa rebound. Pinato kanino? Andun na pala Sir Felipe. Easy basket na yan. 35 seconds. Good back step up. Good backs out. Sir Carpio, 22 seconds. Wala nang shot clock. Sir Felipe, dinadalawa. Papasabit na naman. Pura tayo ng labot. Sir Mabilis para sa rebound. 12 seconds. Sir Fernand. 2 points. 6 seconds. Basa na naman narinig nyo.
Tira, tira, tira.
And wala ng Pink Panthers. Same ball. 11 seconds to shoot.
Carpio, diretso. Carpio.
2 points para kay Sir Carpio. Sir Famisan, 2 points. Wala. Foul, jersey number
personal foul, first team foul. First throw basket. So Walang Virgo, 2 points.
Still by Sir Palambergo. Counter still by Sir Pamisong. Sir Felipe Tui.
Time out.
Sir Felipe 2. Time out, Red. Wow. Jersey number 15. Second personal foul. First team foul by Sir Pamisa. First shot is good. Second one, Sablay. Rebound, Sir Fernan. Wala. Sir Carpio for the rebound. Sir Felipe, foul. Sir Harris. Second personal foul, second team foul. First shot is good. Second one, good for 2. 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Out of bounds, same ball, 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Sir Harris, 3 points. Baba sa pito ang hinahabol. 6 minutes. Out of bounds. 6 minutes. Rebound by Sir Tumanyog. Air ball. Sir Harris, stop. Pop, no go. Ay, may nangyaring karambolan at ang tatawag nating referee ay backcourt violation. Last possession. Second five, mag-ready na. Rebound by Sir Felipe. Killing out, cross. Naghintay na kakambing. Cartier on the move. 2 points. 5 minutes substitution. Our ball game. Sir Fernando. Still by Sir Fernando. Sir Villamor on the move. Another is good. Another level 5.
Sir, baba na kayo agad. Papasok.
Robbery in violation. Sir Commander, 2. Sir Bernardo, wala. Sir Torres.
Sir Torres, ano na? Bilis yan. Ano?
Sir Commander, 2. Rebound, Mr. Elias. Good defense.
Nice defense, nice defense.
Still by Sir Abadi.
Nice!
Good defense ang mga bakay Sir Fernando. On the move. Uy! Behind the back, no good. Good. Sir Elias, bounce pass. Sir Abedi, 2 points.
Good.
Sir Torres, wala. Sir Aresta. Basket. Rebound, Sir Mabilis.
Dapat ba ang penalty, di ba?
Loose ball foul by Sir Felipe. First personal foul, first team foul. Seconds to shoot. Jump ball, Pink Panthers. Pink. Sir Felipe, 2. Balik sa 11 ang inahabol. Foul, Traveling. 50 seconds, 50 seconds. Basket. 35 seconds.
Sabi nga siya. Kasawahin niya si Pilipin ako.
20 seconds. Ganda ball rotation. Sir Carpio. Foul. Loose ball rep. Sir Aresta. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Reset kasi natin. Penalty na tayo ha.
First shot is no good. Wala na shot lang 12 seconds. 12 seconds.
Pwede tayo.
Wala. Rebound, Sir Amabilis. Sir Torres on the move. Babangga sa pader. Blocking foul. Sir Tumanyok. First personal foul, second team foul. 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Basa na naman ang narinig nyo. And our first shot. First shot, good.
Bis, ano nangyari sa field trip mo? Wala. Hindi kami nagtuloy.
Three out of 4. Four out of 5. Five out of 6. So our official score is out of bounds. Team Panthers ball. Rebound by Sir William Moore. Sir Fernand, fouled by Sir Esteliore. Sir Esteliore. First personal foul, first team foul. First shot is good. 42-38. Sorry, 39 pala. 41-39. Namali, naglagay. Sir Carpio, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot, 2 points by Sir Pamisa. na 45-39. Sir Harris, shoot. 45-41. Down. 3 points. 48-41. Sir Palambergo, 2. 48-43. Rebound, Sir Fernand. Still by Sir Pamisan. Good, good. Here's the reset. Good luck, sir. Out of bounds. Okay, back to the ball game. Jump ball. Bola ng pink. Pink. Rebound, Sir Harris. Sir Harris, 2. Sir Elias, gandang floater. Red Lion, same ball. Foul jersey number 27, Sir Esteliore. Second personal foul, second team foul. One shot is good. 48-50. Sir Felipe, 3 points. Huli ng ating referee, double dribble. seconds to shoot. Sir Elias. Rebound, Sir Carpio. 2 points. Angat sa 7 ang inahabol.
Turnover.
Sir Felipe nagalit sa 3 points. Wala. Gonna steal. Sir Felipe. Bounce pass to Sir Elias. 2 points. 5 minutes substitution. Sir Mobilis. Okay, official score natin is 57. Sorry. Rebound ni Sir Gabriel. Rebound Sir Aresta. Sir Villamor wala. Sir Gabriel for the rebound again. Foul, Sir Fernando.
21.
Second personal foul, first team foul. Sir Obaño for the rebound, another foul by Sir Aresta. Sir Aresta. Second personal foul, second team foul. Wala pa rin. Tatlo na ang sinablay. Basket na pang-apat. 58-50. Steal by Sir Abenyo. Sir Felipe, 2. Sakto na ang inaabot. 3 minutes. Rebound, Sir Tumanyo. Sir Felipe nakalabaw. 2 points. 62-50. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Sir Fernando, wala. Villamor, 2 points. Basket by Sir Abenyo. Sir Villamor. Sir Wesley Dewey. Wala sa pito ang kalabangan. Rebound, Sir Aresta.
Ba't tinira ka agad?
Ang bilis, Sir Carpio. Sir Rasi fake on the move. Foul. Who's foul rep? Sir Abenyo. First personal foul, 13 foul.
Nakakailang. Ano dapat yun eh? Dapat tapan na lang.
First shot by Sir Rasi. It's good. Second shot is good again. 30 seconds. Sir, pamisado wala. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Laking foul by Sir Harris. First personal foul, first team foul. Rebounds by Sir Fernand. Sir Palambergo, gandang hanggang. 2 points. Still. Wala rebound, same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Ten seconds to shoot. Sir Carville para sa rebound. Sir Felipe, 2. Sir Palambergo, libre, 2 points. Huli ng ating referee, traveling violation. Sir Tumanyo, 8 seconds to shoot, Sir Abenyo. Oy, uli yan. Merong pushing foul by Sir Tumanyo. Second personal foul. Sir Torres, 2. Foul by Sir Torres. First personal foul, second, third team foul. Rebound by Sir Fernand.
Basket tayo na. Basket tayo.
Still. Basket time lang, sir. Okay. ng Pink Panthers. Time out! 7 minutes. Seconds to shoot. Sir Felipe! Diretso. For the lead! For the tie, wala. Rebound, Sir Tamanjo. Still, by Sir Rasi. Gandang drop pass, rebound, Sir Fernand. Babangga, Igo. One another, no goal. Rebound, Nino. Sir Palapero, drop pass kay Sir Torres. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Sir Fernando Migo. 3 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Rebound na ng Pink. Daming possession doon. 1 minuto sa red. Layo ng bola. Seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Ay! Merong nakitang offensive foul. Ulit-ulit ang ating referee. Sir Anis pass to Sir Russell. Ibigay sa Fernand. Iigop for the tie. Tie game all 7C. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Magusundukan. Nakukuha Nino. Sir Rasi. Sir Rasi to the situation. Sir Palambergo. Lamang na po ang Red Lions. Sir Pamisan on the move. Side step. Basket. Top shot. That's good. Still by Sir Carpio, 5 minutes. Sir Carpio, wala. Rebound, sir. Injury timeout. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. To shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Sir Palambergo, 2. Lima ang kalamangan. Sir Felipe, mamumumahan din sa foul. Sir Palambergo, blocking foul. First personal foul, warning po penalty. Warning po penalty.
Alfonso gag. Ay, gagaling ba yung Alfonso?
Rebound by Sir Fernand. One of two. 3 points. Another turnover. Pagbuwan. Sir Russell, wala. Sir Torres. minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Air ball.
Oh, direct mo na. Direct mo na. Direct mo na.
15 seconds to shoot.
Saba ko, saba.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul jersey number 73. Sir, jersey number 3, sorry. Sir Torres. Penalty tayo, penalty.
33? Ano si Palambergo?
Sir, jersey number 33, sorry. First shot is good. Baba sa dalawa. Basket na pangalawa. Isa na lang ang kalabangan. 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Sir Rabaño para sa rebound. Pagkakataon lumamang ng team P. Sir Belibe, ano gagawin? Nice make at masabit. Grabe kumuha ng foul.
Penalty tayo, sir.
Penalty, sir. Penalty ang team red.
Dalawang time out pa kami, di ba? Yes. Stop, stop! Stop, 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 stop. Pangalawa. Basket sa ba?
Sa position ng all tayo, all 80.
Isa lang.
All 80 tayo, all 80. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes na lang ang maraming oras. Mexico 4, then final quarter. Gandang laban to, 4-3, Sir Rasi. Sir Carpio para sa rebound, bumalik para sa team ng Pink. Pagkakataon lumamang. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sir Pamisat. 5 seconds to shoot. Sir Tumayo. Foul. Counted. Get the basket maker. Sama pang foul. Foul jersey number 3 Torres. 1 minute and 32 seconds. Pagkakataong iangat sa tatlo ang kalamangan. Basket, tatlo ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 32 seconds. Still, sa naman nyo. Sir Babisan to Sir Belibe. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Kaliwa! Kaliwa! Saba!
Still by Sir Palambergo to Sir Rasi. To Sir Raros. Nahanap ko pa yun. 2 points. 1 minute and 6 seconds.
Ingat sa ball! Penalty na tayo! 10 seconds! 10 seconds!
1 minute. Isa lang ang kalamangan. 15 seconds to shoot. Sir Gabi, umiga-bigo at nasa total. Nakukuha nino. Sir Rasi to Sir Palambergo. Wala. Sir Gabi, umawi para sa rebound. And there's a foul. Coming from jersey number Palambergo. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Activity ka na lagi, activity. Ball screen, ball screen. Okay. Basta! Pere! Ano pa, be? Ano pa, be?
47 seconds. 40 seconds. 42. 38 seconds. Paalala mga Pink Panthers, may dalawang timeout. Red Lions, may tatlo pa. 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 25 seconds. Jabol, bola ng red. Okay, bola ng Red Lions. Okay, bola ng Pink. 22 seconds, wala na shot clock, wala na shot clock.
14 lang, bro. 14.
2 seconds.
Benyo, ball screen!
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Sir Carpio on the move. Papasa red. Wala. 9 seconds. 7 seconds. And meron. Foul na tinawag.
Wala pa penalty. Ay, wait lang daw, wait. Wala pa.
Second. We're heading into 40 overtime. Tallahassee, 3 points. And seconds to shoot. Total situation. Sir Palambergo, wala. Wala pa rin. Personal foul by Sir Felipe. Second personal foul, third team foul.
Hindi na siya penalty nun.
Wala pang penalty. Third team foul.
This one, baka makakal.
Sir Russell! Wala. Sir Berna, para sa rebound? Wala pa rin. Rebound, Sir Cardio. Mama! Wala. Sir Cardio pa rin. Foul! Counted! Grabing laban to. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 2, Sir Rassi. First personal foul penalty. 4 minutes. Sir Torres. Nakasunod na, Sir Carpio. Sir Abenyo, 2 points lamang na Pink Panthers. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Still, Sir Tamanyo. Sir Abenyo. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 11, Sir Fernand. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. First shot is no goal. Isa lang ang kalamangan ng Pink, isa lang ang kalamangan.
Jackpot ka, pre? Lions eh.
Second shot. Logo pa rin. Sir Fernand, corner rebound to Sir Harris.
Sir Racing.
2 minutes and 5 seconds. Sir Torres, libre
For the lead, 2 points.
Three minutes. Five seconds to shoot.
Sir Balambergo, 2 points.
Tatlong kalamangan. Two minutes and 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Na libre. Kumato. Mawal Sir Balambergo. Sir Harris. Sir Torres. 2 points. Save point. Sabi mo siya direct. Sir Felipe, nadadala ng bola. Ibinigay niya Sir Carpio. 15 seconds to shoot. Sir Carpio, gandang peke. There's a foul coming from jersey number 11 again. Sir Fernand, third personal foul. Penalty tayo. O team penalty. The shot is good. Pabasa apat. 1 minute and 48 seconds.
Australia! Italy!
Basket again. Tatlo ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 48 seconds.
Bihis.
Sir Torres to Sir Balambergo. Na libre. Pumundo. There's a foul. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. The shot is good. Shot 2. Balik sa limang kalamangan. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Sir Pamisan. Sir Carpio. Sir Carpio. Nasusunutan. Wow! Jersey number 15. Penalty. The goal of first shot. Second shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound, may sa naman nyo. Sir Felipe, mangangalabay. Sir Carp, kanyo. Sabi ko siya, 1 minute and 16 seconds. Seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by server now. 53 seconds. Take over. 48 seconds.
seconds.
Hoy!
Foul, Sir Felipe. Penalty.
Itlog check!
First shot is good. Ito ang kalamangan. 41 seconds. Basket again. 41 seconds. 40 seconds. Foul, Sir Torres. Penalty. 36 seconds.
Sa taas ka lang, please, kasi baka
First attempt is
hawak lang,
no goal.
hawak lang. Yan, pasok mo na.
Basket ang pangalawa. 35 seconds. Foul, Sir Elias. Penalty. Two shot para kay Sir Harris. Sa Balaya muna. Sir Tumandrong para sa rebound. Sir Carpio. 2 points. Limang kalamangan. 25 seconds. 20 seconds.
Para mata-mata yan. Ang cute mo.
Warning more graduate. Fifteen seconds. 15 seconds.
Okay.
15 seconds. 10 seconds. Survey.